How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some Kegel exercises that you can do at home. These exercises are really good, so make sure you try them out. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please, if you guys are interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do wall squats. Wall squats, crazy good for your Kegels. So what we're going to do is we're going to do, we'll say 10 seconds. 10 seconds for a wall squat is not bad. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get into a nice low position and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Your legs should be on fire, but as well as that, you should feel it in your Kegel muscles, you guys. That is one of the best exercises that you can possibly do. Now, people are going to ask me, how do you feel it in your Kegel muscles? The best way to feel that muscle is to start peeing, obviously in the bathroom, start peeing, and then stop midstream. That muscle that tightens up that you feel when you're stopping peeing, that is your Kegel muscle, you guys. That's what you kind of want to activate when we're doing these exercises. So again, we're just going to do sets and sets of these wall squats, and you can do different positions. You don't have to go super low. My first one I went really low on. You can go a little bit higher. It's not really about training your legs, so people might say, oh, you're not going low enough. It's about feeling that muscle and hitting that muscle. That's the point of it. So you can even go in this position here. This is a little bit higher up, but I can feel it in my Kegel muscle. So it's a good exercise and it's a good position. So I would vary your leg positions, and we're going to take breaks after each one because you don't want to do these non-stop. You want to have a little bit of breaks because the breaks are what's going to allow you to go longer and longer. If you just do it non-stop, might only do it for a couple of minutes, and that's not the point. We want to be able to do these for a long period of time, really get our muscles worked when we're doing these. So we can do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, as simple as that. People are going to say, wow, that's super easy. That's the workout, you guys. It's not very hard. We're going to take 10-20 second breaks after each set, and we're just going to keep doing that, and this is what's going to allow us to feel those Kegel muscles, you guys. Trust me on this. I've made a few Kegel videos already. A lot of them, few of them, 2 or 3 of them have gotten over 500,000 views, so I do know what I'm talking about, you guys. You guys can check out those other videos. They're on my channel, but I do know what I'm talking about with these exercises, you guys, so trust me, I really want to help you guys out. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, you guys. Take a little break, walk around, feel your legs out. And that's pretty much it, you guys, but we're going to keep on going because I want to do a little bit of a workout with you guys. I don't want you guys to just stop here. That's not cool. That's not really fun. You got to do the exercise for a little bit to really see the results. So just follow along with me at home and you'll get the best results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will feel it in your legs. Your legs will be sore, but the point of this, again, is to really hit those Kegel muscles. That is the point of this video. Three Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. And again, just do it for 10 seconds. If you guys want to do it for a longer period of time, that's perfectly fine. You can do them for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute if you want to. But in my opinion, and from what I have found, it's better to just do them for about 10 seconds or so, maybe even 20 seconds, and that's good. Take a little bit of a break. The point isn't to grow your legs. That's not the point of this video. The point of the video is to hit your Kegel muscles with one of the best exercises, and that's the wall squat, you guys. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you guys are feeling it now in your Kegel muscles. It takes a little bit of time to really be able to find that Kegel muscle and to really work it. I've been doing this for a very long time. I'm a master of hitting these. It just takes time, you guys. You have to do it over and over again, and you're only going to learn through repetition and doing it over and over again. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a little bit of break. Just walk around a little bit. We'll do a couple more, then you guys get the idea. But it's a good workout. You can do 10, 15 sets. That's a good number to really feel your muscles being worked. So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, you guys. Now, comment below. Let me know if there's any other thing you guys want me to help you with. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Also, I will put a link in the description box for some exercises, or sorry, for some items that will help you with your Kegel muscles. So make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching.